Hey guys, welcome to the 300 subscriber special of Dom Tech. For this special, we're going to be doing something a little bit stupid. So in the last video I spoke about how the Toughbook exists and it runs macOS. As you can see, well, there's a disk inside of here with a version of macOS which I actually had it in here for a project. But I kind of want to see if I can use it on here. This is a Panasonic Toughbook CF30, and I'm pretty sure it's from 2007. As you can see there, it says Windows Vista capable, but designed for XP. It is also a touchscreen, because why not? There you go, there's the information of the laptop there. It's got an L2400 Intel Core Duo CPU, not even Core 2 Duo. It's got 3 GB of RAM. Yeah, it's fine. And XP Professional. In the DVD drive, there's a disc with iDenb. I think I'm saying that right, iDenb. And that includes macOS 10.5.5. And now it's a modded Hackintosh release designed for laptops and desktops if you want to try and run it. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Okay, I've got the disc out. And I'm going to turn off the XP machine. Love it. I'm going to switch the laptop back on just so we can open the disk drive. It's a bit fiddly this because obviously it's a tough laptop. Okay, I'm also going to turn it back off just to insert the disk, which I didn't. There we go. Just so it can detect it in the BIOS. And I want to see if this can boot into it. I'm going to change the drive because I do not want to wipe this. This is perfect to me and I love it. Operating time 3,700 hours. So yeah, this is used. Boot. There we go. So IDEMP. I take it that means the disk drive. So I can move that up using the F5 and F6 keys, and we're gonna F10 to save, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, that's exactly what we wanted to see. I'm gonna stop this doing anything before it wipes anything. So I will not let this wipe. As soon as I can see this booting into, oh my goodness. That was easy. Okay. It booted. Okay. And it's in full res as well. Okay, this might be, oh my goodness me. Okay. Preparing installation on a Toughbook. Oh my gosh. It works. Okay. So, if it detects the drive, I'm going to click on continue. Right, okay, select a destination. It isn't showing anything. Oh yeah, I need to format the drive. Duh. Okay. I'm going to change the drive and I'll get back to you. Whew. Okay, I've got the top cover off. Don't want to break this. Alright, that was more stressful than it should have been. Shout out to Tough Outlet. Honestly, I've had to replay this many times. Let's see if I broke it. Here goes nothing. Alright, open it up so I can lock it. Okay, let's plug it in. I should hope it still bloody boots. Wait, it worked. Okay, I didn't break it. Oh, so I'll put in an SK Hynix SSD. Now let's install macOS. Okay, we're back on this screen, which is a very good sign that things are going well. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm pretty sure it's found the network. Although there we go, because of the light that I showed you earlier, and it's got. Hang on, okay, I'm gonna test this. There you go. Well, I think it's because the BIOS emulates and then emulates a PS2 mouse, but still, it's pretty cool. So, this is one thing I've learned. So, different from Windows, you got to go to Disk Utility, and this is going to be slow because it's running off disk. Okay, there we go. SK Hynix, blah blah blah. We're going to erase. under macOS extended. Since I didn't plan ahead, let's just call it Tough MacBook. Why not? And we're going to erase. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, we've got a drive Tough MacBook. That should... Now, yeah, we go. Select a destination. You've chosen to install this software on the volume Tough MacBook. So, we're going to be installing iDena version 1.3, 10.5.5, which is basically just the macOS version, on Tough MacBook volume. To begin installing, click continue. Okay, I think we're installing. Let's just see. Okay, apparently it's done. So, before I restart, because I can't be bothered to change the BIOS settings, I'm just gonna... I can't remove the disk, so you know what? It's a tough, but let's just remove the disk drive. Gotta love old tech. Fun fact while it reboots. Dellbook does the same. Okay, we are rebooting. Took a while for it to shut down. That's a good sign. It knows it can see the graphics driver, which is brilliant. I'm just gonna put the disk drive back in, and there we go. That is a funny sight. So this shouldn't take as long as it took the disk drive to boot, because obviously this is an SSD. This is probably going to be like SATA 1 or SATA 2, so the speed isn't going to be like anything to praise or something, but at least it will be better than the disk drive. It'll be faster than the hard drive that I had in there before, definitely. There's a line. I've got no sound, but that's the startup intro in a very weird form. That is weird. Okay, this is weird. Right, so the right, so the screen is working, but for some reason that cut up on the side. What? Well, we'll set it up anyway. Select your keyboard. Does the keyboard work? The keyboard does work. That's good. Do I already own a Mac? I don't, actually. I don't. So I'm going to click on don't transfer anything now. Right, so there's no Wi-Fi. Okay, I kind of expected that. Let's just do my computer does not connect. We don't need Wi-Fi. We don't need to register. Oh, are you going to make me register? Oh. Yeah, fill this out with totally real details. And it worked. Awesome. Where will you primarily use this computer? Well, home. Shame it's not on my bed. But best describe what you do. Well, I'm a YouTuber, so is that anywhere? Oh, video film, that'll do. Okay, yeah, send me emails. Password 12345 sounds good. And password hint. What should the hint be? I think it should be 12345 because that is exactly what the password is. Oh no, the hint and the password are the same. Apple, you are clever. Don't forget to register. Okay. Let's see if I can change this resolution because this is a little bit annoying. But hey, we're booted. That is cool. But I've never... Alright, first, let's just go to about... So it's detected that. Magnification. Whee! That's what I wanted to see. Okay. Let's go to System Preferences. Oh, we're already in System Preferences. Displays. Here we go. Okay. So I believe this is the largest... Okay. Way we go. Okay. Colors, millions, thousands. Not like Windows. We got sound. It says there's sound, but I can't hear sound. But this is working. It's the touch. Yeah, look. We got an iPad. Just not an iPad. So what can we actually do? Is the battery detected? It is detected. And that is this. Yeah, there you go. That's cool. It detects when it's plugged in and when it's not plugged in. That is cool. Battery is not charged. Okay, there we go. Show percentage. There we go, 11%. This Toughbook takes years to charge, winds me out. So what else can we do on this? Mobile Me, that hasn't existed for a few years. This is basically what iCloud turned into. CD DVDs. Let's try a DVD. And what other DVD than to try this Harry Hill's TV Burp Gold CD? Let's put that in there. Okay, let's see what it does. Because it does say when you insert a video DVD, open DVD player. I hear the disc spinning up. Is this seen Bluetooth? No way. Wait. Is this seen Bluetooth? Let's try headset. I've just asked my Google Home to compare, and I think that's it. There we go. So this thing can see the Bluetooth, but not the network or the sound card. That is bizarre. Okay, it's seen it. Pass key. There shouldn't be a pass key. Pairing was unsuccessful. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, unfortunately, even though it can get the connection, I can't get the pass key to work, which is weird because it's not supposed to have a pass key. But that is just old Bluetooth for you. So I forgot where I left it on the last clip. I'm just going to restart and see what happens. And as always, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and like. Helps me out big time. Get me to 400, 500, maybe 600 subscribers. Okay, anyway, apart from that, we're back in. And we can see the disk drive this time. Still no sound though. Well, best we can do is try and play the DVD. And not like that. I literally done this earlier. Front row. What's front row? Ooh. Oh! This is like the Apple TV. The original. The OG original. Yeah, I remember this. This is really smooth. Okay, we've got Apple DVD player. Let's try it. Yep, this is copyrighted, so I'm not going to play a lot. Not permitted. Cheers, Apple. Well, we'll just see if we can make it big. Oh, that closes it. Oh, look, the touchscreen's weird. Yeah, no sound. Yeah. Works, though. Still no network. Let's have a look at one more app. Expose. Oh. Well, we got time for another one. That was simple. Let's look at old iTunes. Okay, there's iTunes. Let's just go next, finish. And whoa, that's retro. Reminds me of the iPod days. And that, I guess, wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. I plan to make more and more content like this, enjoyable. This is just the stuff I would watch, to be honest with you. And catch you next time.